Hello everyone, my name is Shai, and today I am, after a long time, I am finally reacting to Hua Chenyu. This time it is a performance of a song called The Dust in the Fireworks, or Ashes from Fireworks. It was a performance at the T-Mall Shopping Festival. First and foremost, for my Hua Chenyu followers who have been waiting for a while, do apologize for taking long. I did upload a vlog a few videos ago explaining my situation and whatnot. Yes, my foot's still a bit injured. I should actually be taking this thing off soon, so yes. But anyway, it's been a long time coming. It's been a while since I've listened to Hua Chenyu. I'm really excited to get back into this, so without further ado, before I start, actually, I do apologize if the volume's a bit low. Still trying to get used to the new space and trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work and all that. So, yes. Anyway, so yes, after a long while, it is Hua Chenyu. This time he is performing at the T-Mall Shopping Festival, Ashes from Fireworks. Here we go. Oh. I think this is actually one of the few songs of Hua Chenyu that I haven't listened to yet. And if that's true, that's a miracle. 哇！Oh, oh my goodness. I wonder, I think this might be one of the few songs that I've yet to listen to from Hua Chenyu, but dude, I have forgotten how much I am in love with Hua Chenyu. It has been so long since I've last listened to Hua Chenyu, or at least reacted to him. I have listened to some of the stuff that I've reacted to before, like just in the background when I'm doing my things, but still, regardless, oh my god, it's been so long. I'm aware that he is doing Singer 2020, and I am going to react to his Jack Dow Boy reaction. Obviously I have heard that song many times, and I have that song on my iPod, but regardless, like I've mentioned in all my previous Hua Chenyu reactions, it doesn't matter how many times I've seen or heard performance from him, it's always something a little bit different than the last time I saw it. So, but that being said, this song in particular, I don't think I've heard it before. It sounds completely new to me, and it's just like, I'm glad I'm starting with this I'm starting with this song as a way to kickstart my reactions to Hua Chenyu again. I definitely know that I've missed a whole bunch of things since I've been on my hiatus, so I'm definitely ready to get back into the swing of things. Like, this song in particular just reminded me of why I absolutely love Hua Chenyu, and it's just him on a stage enjoying his performance, just him with just that amazing stage presence of his. Like, he doesn't need anything too fancy, it's just his voice and him, and it's just a wonderful performance. Bro, I miss reacting to Hua Chenyu. It's been so long, so I'm really ready to get back in the swing of things, and hopefully my commentary will get better as time goes on. But regardless, all in all, simply put, love this performance. You know, it's just Hua Chenyu, just the the background music, whatever you call it, because my mind's going blank right now, and just him. I just love it, the simplicity of everything, just his vocals, and just everything about this performance just reminded me of like why I fell in love with Hua Chenyu. So I'm really ready to get back in the swing of things. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.